Flash flood warning for southeastern Henry
Another
County
one.
in north-central Georgia, northeastern Bucks County in central Georgia, southwestern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 5:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Stewart, Centerville, Ola, Worthville, and Rocky Plains. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If you see significant flooding, call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
The truck and the lead trailer was so far down I couldn't even see with a flashlight.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash
Another
flood warning
flash
for
flood warning.
southeastern